And you get the boat.
It's a boat?
Yeah.
Do you know what those are?
Yeah.
What?
Those are your twins.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Welcome back, guys. My name is Anthony. So I got a message from my cousin who doesn't live too far away from me. She had done some spring cleaning a couple months back, and she had a leftover, I guess it's a box of stuff. Could be a couple boxes or an overflowing box or something. And she knows what I do, so she messaged me and asked if I'd like to come pick it up off her porch and go through it and see if there's anything I want. So I thought that sounded like a good idea. It's not too far of a drive, probably 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm on my way there now to pick it up, and we will get it back home. Got a few more things planned for today, but we're gonna start by just going through a box of free stuff and seeing if there's anything valuable, see if there's anything we can sell, see if there's anything we can use, all that fun stuff. So I'll see you in just a minute. All right, let's go see what we got. Hey, how's it going? All right, so got a few things here. Microsoft steering wheel and a TV. Pop these in the car and go grab the box. I'm sure we'll be in touch. Yeah, exactly. All right, take it easy. All right, so got the GoPro on my head. I'm not sure what you're gonna be able to see. So we got a box of stuff, we got a TV, and we got a stereo controller right down there. Or not a stereo controller, a video game controller. So we'll get this stuff home and we'll take a look at what we got. All right, folks, we're back home. I got the stuff right here. I also have this box right here. My friend Roy over at RK Treasure Center YouTube channel sent me a box of stuff. So I figure we'll go ahead and open that up too while we're digging through boxes. But let's start with this stuff over here. First of all, we got a TV. Nothing special, just a small one with a built-in DVD player. Actually, our 1-year-old daughter doesn't have a TV in her room, so this would be good to play some cartoons on or whatever. That'll be fine. This, I can already tell you, I'm not gonna look everything up right now, and I have a trash bag ready because when you take a box of someone's stuff, you gotta be ready to throw some stuff away because that's just the nature of the beast. But there is a Microsoft Sidewinder USB precision steering wheel and pedals. And I did look this up. These are going for between anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks on eBay, even a little bit more on Amazon. So that's already a good score right there. So I'll clean that up and we'll make decent money on this right here. We should anyway. I'm assuming everything works since it was my cousin too, by the way. But everything will be tested, of course, as per usual. So let me move this out of the way and then we'll look at some of this other stuff. I think I'm gonna switch cameras too to make it a little bit easier. So we'll do that in 3, 2, 1. All right, that's better. So I already showed you the TV. I showed you the Microsoft racing wheel. The racing wheel already makes it to where it's worth the 20-minute round trip drive because, like I said, that stands to sell for between 50 and 100 bucks. So not bad at all there. So I'll just start randomly pulling some stuff out. Like I said, I got a trash bag ready just in case, but a couple little alarm clocks, looks like a Doctor Who maybe, and a little, I don't know, what's that guy called from Star Wars? I can't remember, BB something. These, I doubt they're worth anything. This one looks like it's broken on the top right here. So, probably go ahead and toss these, nothing special. Got a few remote controls. Remote controls are something I always look out for. Here's a couple Pioneer stereo remotes. These might be between 5 and 15 bucks a piece, so I'll definitely hold on to those. There is a Sony Vcr Remote. This is one Vcr remote type that I always pick up, or Sony's, because they're so interchangeable with different Sony VCRs, and a lot of Sony VCRs still have value. So when I find a Sony VCR that doesn't have a remote, got one right here for it. Awesome. There's the instruction manual to that racing wheel, so that ought to help. Go ahead and hold on to that and put it with the racing wheel when I sell it. Looks like some various old software, probably nothing special. This is Pool. This is Print Master Classic, so I doubt these are worth anything. I'll probably go ahead and toss these. That's pretty decent. There's a Motorola surfboard modem. Let's see if that's what's actually in the box. Looks like everything is still in the plastic. Yeah, this looks like it's in really good shape. Pretty sure this is what I actually use, and I love it too. It's a Surfboard SB6121. Still in the box. Looks like everything is brand new in there, perhaps. So that is a decent little thing. I'm guessing used, depending on where I decide to sell it. I'm guessing somewhere between like 20 and 30 bucks. Definitely not bad, especially for free. Looks like some blank Sony CDRWs. I bet these are blank. I might just hold on to them. I probably have spindles of these that I can use for testing, but these are all open. I mean, they're not sealed into plastic, so I'm probably not going to sell these. So I'll either throw them away or I'll just keep them for testing or something. Sony CDRWs. Looks like some older antivirus software. Probably go ahead and toss that one. There is an old LAN card. I have no clue if this is worth anything. It's not in there. It's just the instructions and everything. So this is trash. New old stock monitor cable. Probably not worth anything. There's a barcode, so I'll scan it before I toss it, but something tells me that's not worth anything anyway. RCA cables, always hold on to these for when you find VCRs, so you can sell them on Amazon if you choose to, or you can bundle them up on eBay even, but I tend to buy these whenever I see them in thrift stores for between 50 cents and $1, so you know, that just saves me $1 right there. I'll take it. USB cable, always come in handy for printers and stuff like that, so I'll just throw this with the rest of my cables. Couple various power cables, I'll look them up. I'll either see if that actual model is worth anything. Sometimes they are, if they're specialized enough. These don't look like they're specialized. I bet they're just kind of generic. So I'll look them up. If not, I'll toss them with my other cables. And when I need a random power cable for something, maybe one of these will come in handy. I don't know. And there is a Netgear wireless router. Don't know if this one's worth anything. Let me look it up real fast before I decide. I don't see a power cable with it, so I'll see if it's worth my time. And it looks like it's between 5 and 10 bucks with the power cable, so I'll probably toss this. It won't be worth my time to look around for a power cable. There's a Tyco RC battery pack right there. This one might be worth something, but I don't really have any way to test it. I guess I could use like a voltmeter or something, but I'm not really sure. So that'll probably end up trash. I won't let this sit around too long before I decide. And the last thing is a little compact PS2 mouse. I think these generally go, these little ball mouses from the late 90s, early 2000s usually go for between 5 and 15, just like those remotes probably do. So I might just pop this up somewhere, I don't know. Not huge money, but between the modem, the racing wheel, the couple remotes, and the free TV, I think it was definitely worth the 20-minute drive round trip to pick this stuff up. So thank you, my cousin. I appreciate this stuff. Not bad for free. And like I said, I got a box from my friend Roy over at RK Treasure Center. If you're not familiar with his channel, make sure you check it out. I'll link it in the description below. But a couple weeks ago, he was having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway because he had just hit 1,000 subscribers. He's well over 1,000 now. But down in the comments, I was congratulating him, and apparently I won his drawing. So there's a bunch of cool stuff in here. Now, Roy told me I could either keep it, sell it, or give it away. Of course, I'm not going to sell any of this stuff. It's a bunch of like YouTube reseller memorabilia type stuff, which is pretty cool. And I'm actually planning on building a shelf back there on my wall somewhere that can house kind of my little YouTube collection. Like my Eneman back there and my haunted mask and, you know, stuff like that. Things that remind me of some of the YouTubers that I respect and enjoy. I figure I'll probably keep some of it and, you know, maybe I'll spread the love a little bit. Maybe I'll do a little giveaway or something and give some away. I'm not sure yet. We'll see exactly what's in here, and then I'll decide later. But I really appreciate this stuff, and I wanted to thank Roy properly. So let's open her up. Roy is quite the professional packer. Nice little letter. I'll read that privately later. Some business cards. Very nice. Very nice business cards, Roy. This first thing in here, this is pretty funny. This is one of the RVA Flips ferry bridges. If you don't know what those are, I'm sure you can do a search on YouTube and find out for sure, but that's hilarious. Try to focus it. An RVA Flips ferry bridge. Item number 2 looks like a RK Treasure Center t-shirt and some stickers. I'll definitely wear these with pride. It's even my size, so awesome. I'm excited to have a new black t-shirt. Thank you, Roy. And some of this packaging is just awesome. This is a RK Treasure Center mug in some sort of custom package, which is very cool. Very nice mug. That'll look awesome on a shelf. I love you. What are you doing? Where's your shirt at? Were you hot? Were you watching Cops?
I need a new one.
Next up, we have a Nike visor signed by Josh over at Harry Tornado. Pretty cool. Then we have another Eneman. I already have an Eneman, but this one is actually signed, autographed by Kevin, the Commonwealth Picker. So very cool. Might just have 2 Enemen on my shelf. Weirder things have happened. Here is an RK Treasure Center hat signed by Roy and Tim. 2 very awesome people, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. Then we have a Cincinnati Reds, looks like it's a vintage mug, a vintage cup, signed by my man John, the Cincinnati Picker. Very cool. And got a couple more CP stickers in there, which always come in handy. So this is very cool. This is definitely going up on my shelf. And last but not least, looks like another coffee mug, and it's one of the Garage Flips I got this from my guy, Coffee Mugs, along with a Garage Flips #Shed Life koozie. Very, very cool. Couple Garage Flip stickers in there also. Very, very nice prize, guys. I really appreciate this. I'm excited to display some of this stuff once I get my shelf built, which now I'm going to be motivated to do because I have tons of stuff to put up there. Very cool. If you have not yet, make sure you check out Roy's channel, Roy and Kim, over at RK Treasure Center. I will link their description below. That is my video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Feel pretty good about everything. I think I'm going to make a little bit of money for not a lot of work, which is always pretty cool.
Why did you get this broken one?
Sorry, do you want me to throw it away?
Yeah.
Here. Alright, looks like I'm being invaded by a shirtless toddler and a curious 1-year-old. So, I'm going to just tell you to stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.